समारम्भाम् नित्यानन्देश्वरि मध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्ताम् वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्। I welcome all the devotees, disciples, Samajis, Satsangis, Sri Mahants, Mahants, Tanedar, Kotari, sitting with us all over the world through Nityananda TV, Sadhana TV, two-way video conferencing, having Nayana Diksha all over the world. The city is sitting with us, two-way video conferencing, having Nayana Diksha. Nityananda University, Los Angeles, Grasse, France, Ohio, Ma Shivananda, Ravensburg, Germany, Toronto, Kailasam, Newfoundland, Canada, Enriching Temple, Biddi, St. Louis, Tirumala, Nityananda Nagaramu, Hyderabad, High Point, North Carolina, Ohio, Prayag, Indrani, New Jersey, Singapore, Singapuram, Seattle, Chidambaram, Hyderabad, Guptakashi, Jorpati, Nepal, Houston, Kalahasti, Oklahoma, Somanatham, Kuala Lumpur, Parani, Hong Kong, Sirgari, Los Angeles, Hollywood, Phoenix, Kanchipuram, High Point, Highland Creek, North Carolina, Nityananda Nagaram, Tiruvannamalai, Warrington, UK, London, Kashi, Amersfoort, Netherlands, Dakota Dunes, Hebal, Bangalore, San Jose, Madurai, North Carolina, Scottsdale, Arizona, Austin, Texas, Guadalupe, Rameshwaram, London, Kashi, Stratford, Connecticut, Kathmandu, Nepal, Oman, Sivagangai, Winston-Salem, North Carolina. I welcome all of you with my love and respects. Today, Ganesh Chaturthi, Vinayaka Chaturthi, Brahmotsava, 9th day. Mahaganapati is gracing all of us on Swarna Hamsa Vahana, means the golden Hamsa Vahana. Hamsa is a mythological bird in Vedic tradition representing highest enlightened being. Hamsa, bird, is used as a symbol of enlightened being. Ganesha is gracing all of us on the symbol of enlightened beings, Hamsa Vahana. Today is Samskara Dahana Kriya. Tomorrow we will have root patterns. I wanted today all over the world, all the devotees, disciples, everyone does Samskara Dahana Kriya. I already initiated the process of doing Samskara Dahana Kriya for last few days, till next 48 days. Now, especially today, I wanted all over the world, all the devotees, disciples, do Samskara Dahana Kriya. I'll continue to expand on the same subject I was expanding yesterday. how the completion makes you experience, makes you feel clearly about what you are, who is your opponent, where is the enmity happening, the reason for enmity. Please understand. Biggest delusion you need to handle in life is there is something other than you. Underquote, there is something other than you. Everything exists is you. If you feel there is something other than you, that is delusion. Handling that delusion is very important. For that, you need to know what or whom you feel as other than you and why you feel that or them as other than you. Please understand. If a bamboo is thrown in the Ganga and that bamboo is floating, it looks like Ganga is become two now, right side, left side. But Ganga never became two. The bamboo makes Ganga look like two. It is always our enmity that makes your conscious Ganga to look you and other. Listen. So if you do completion deeper and deeper and discover what and who you feel as other and why you feel as other, whom you feel as your opponent or enemy or other, and why you feel, the whole thing will boil down to your root pattern. Please understand. The whole thing will boil down to your root pattern. Listen. You will be afraid. This is one of the greatest revelation of the Advaita Satya. When you diagnose why you are afraid of your opponents, your enemies, that reason, maybe you are afraid they may snatch all your wealth. You are afraid they may kill you. You are afraid they may put you in prison. You are afraid they may take away all your relationships, your family members. You are afraid they may just take away your mental peace. Whatever is the fear, you are afraid. Listen, it is actually due to that fear you will be torturing you more than your enemy torturing you. When you complete with that, the reason for the enmity will melt down. Whose inner space the reason for enmity has melted down, he is called sadhu. Sadhu means a person in whose inner space the reason for enmity has melted down, been completed. Reason for the fears have been completed. I am continuing from yesterday's satsang. I request all the devotees to watch today and yesterday's satsang together. Then you will understand how step by step simple completion can lead you to Advaita Satya. I know it is going above your head if you are new to satsang. I am trying to verbalize abstract principles. I am trying to verbalize abstract principles. The more and more your reason for enmity gets completed, the more and more enemy becomes powerless. Listen, because for example, if your enemy knows your wealth getting snatched away is the way you can be tortured, he will do only that. But suddenly you renounce everything and become a sadhu and sit under a banyan tree. What will happen? Your enemy lost his ground. He can't do anything. I am telling you, you don't even have to become a sadhu and sit under banyan tree. You sit under banyan tree and do completion with the fear of losing your wealth. That's enough. He can't torture you anymore. All the tortures you experience through your enmity and enemy can be completed. The completion does such powerful thing, of making your enemy powerless over you. I'm never bothered to die. That is why my enemies never try to kill me, because they know even if they kill me, I'll assume one more body and come back and do what I need to do. And I'll become martyr. The biggest mistake they will do is try to kill me, because that will make me martyr. They know whatever I am standing for, the teachings I am giving, everything will become immortal. Suddenly the whole thing will have a big authentication. Listen. when you don't have reason to cherish your enmity, your enemy loses power over you. Because that I and you, that gap melts down. It is no more like a dam. It just becomes a small bamboo. Dam also separates Ganga, this side and that side. Small bamboo also separates Ganga, this side and that side. Dam is like a root pattern. Small bamboo is like casual passerby thought. Don't allow the dam, the root pattern, to separate your knowledge Ganga, your experience, the Advaita Ganga. More and more and more samskara dahana kriya. More and more completion will melt down your desperation, anxiety patterns. Second thing, it will make you understand who is your enemy, why enmity. Third thing, it will make the strength of the enmity melt down. So you will experience, instead of you and I, you and me, the one, the only one, the oneness. The gap between the you and I will be removed. The oneness. The cosmic oneness. Advaita Satya. The cosmic oneness. Advaita Satya is experienced just by pure non-violence. Understand? The Advaita Satya happens in you by the pure non-violence. Completion is not just an ordinary process to relieve you from all the stress, just to give you physical and mental peace, physical health. It is such powerful process to give you Advaita Satya itself. That is why I am so insistent. I insist so much on doing completion again and again and again. Sometimes I wonder, why, because of our own delusion, we separate ourselves as I and you, and one part of us cherishing enmity towards the other part of us due to illusorily created fear the other part is going to harm one part, which is never going to happen other than this fear. When I look around, the whole thing seems to be just foolish play again and again being played by every human being. Especially when I sit and guide participants of inner awakening through their root pattern, guide them to find their incompletions, helping them to complete. I just see all over the world, whatever may be your background, culture, tradition, religion, age, gender, everyone doing the same drama to themselves. Why? No answer. Maybe when the kids have a long nail, because there is a long nail, they will play with the nail by folding it. Why they are playing with that their own nail by folding the nail? No reason. Just because it is long and the luxury of long nail is there, they will be playing with it. Suddenly, if the nail comes out, only then they feel the pain. They say, why did I do this? I think you started playing this game of I and you casually, just as a game, playfully. But suddenly it has become serious game. It's like your right hand and left hand playfully started fighting with the swords. Having two swords and both hands were playfully fighting with each other just to check which hand is more strong. Suddenly even you forgot both are part of you and they became very serious and started cutting each other. There was two disciples for a guru. Disciple told both of them to press one leg. One disciple was pressing the right leg, another one was pressing the left leg. Both of them suddenly looked into each other's eyes. This fellow had one thought, just looking at him. What? You are trying to show you are doing the seva more? See now how nicely I am going to press. He presses strongly. Seeing this fellow, that fellow, you think you will get good name from Guru? See now. He started. This fellow. That fellow. That poor Guru. Suddenly this fellow got one disciple, got very serious. How dare you challenge me? See my power. He just broke the leg. That fellow, you can make only single fracture. See here, tatak, and took out the leg. So understand, and that poor Guru. I didn't do anything other than telling you guys to press my feet. No, this is exactly you are doing to yourself. This is exactly you are doing to yourself. Understand? This is exactly you are doing to yourself. do more and more completion, to integrate all the broken parts of your life. With this, I bless you all. Let you all radiate with integrity, authenticity, responsibility, enriching and causing eternal bliss. Nityananda. Thank you.
Nityananda Dhyanapitham, Nityananda Nagar, off Mysore Road, Bidadi, Bengaluru. Phone 08027279999. www.nityananda.org, www.youtube.com/Life Bliss Foundation.